Well, we've been talking a lot about silver, I think, over the past few months, and this is just an update on sort of the big picture, which I actually think needs to be reiterated so people can see how big the potential opportunity is in silver. Now, before we look at a couple of charts, I do want to remind everyone that silver is a very volatile asset class, so please keep that in mind. It is prone to some pretty violent moves in either direction, but I think given the setup here, it's certainly worth continuing discussion. Personally, in full disclosure, I remain long silver for all the reasons that we've been talking about, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So, first of all, a reminder in terms of performance. What you're looking at here is the performance of various asset classes from equities. The bottom right-hand corner, you can see the NASDAQ up 3.7% year to date, all the way up to uranium up 40%, and you can see silver is the blue line there. That continues to improve in terms of its performance, up about 28% year to date, which I think is quite remarkable. However, there is a bigger picture story here to this, and obviously silver has both industrial use and use for, through that industrial lens, also has use for the AI application layer, which basically is from an energy perspective. This might be the biggest cup and handle ever. This cup and handle pattern, if you're technically inclined, you know what it basically has bullish implications. Essentially, a cup and handle pattern would mean that ultimately we see resolve to the upside. It's basically been in place since 1980. That's 45 years. Now, that also means that it could take a lot of time here to really break to the upside, but I just want to give everyone some perspective. So if this, in very simple terms, if this cup and handle pattern were to play out, we would be able to get a simple upside target by just measuring the handle of this, the depth of the handle, and adding it to this line here. So you could easily get a price around $100. Again, that would be probably more of a multi-year, sort of upside potential. But the trajectory here is there. In the more near term, this is a long-term monthly chart, so we actually have cup and handles within this big cup and handle pattern. So I can show you that a little bit here, so you can see, for example, on the weekly chart, we can zoom in a bit more, and you can see that we have this cup and handle pattern that's been basically tracing out since 2020. So that would look something like this. So again, same pattern that we showed you before. So this is your cup, right? And then you've got the resistance line, and then the handle up here, and now we're breaking out of this handle. So in the near term, again, there's more upside. Just keep in mind that it is volatile. You could easily see a mean reversion move, down to $30, and nothing would have changed. So just want to reiterate our big bullish case on silver through the multi-quarter, multi-year lens. But even in the near term, it still looks like momentum is bullish for now. Hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video.
If this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you give us a thumbs up like, and if you want to see this approach in action, you will want to join us in our Set the Market morning call, which happens at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Monday through Thursday. Make sure you join us for that in the link down below. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.